Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a summer makeup look. Now I'm going to call it kind of like an updated summer makeup look, and although it's not summer yet, I know this is what I'm going to be doing. There's only going to be two things that I'm doing. Either I'm going to be barefaced or I'm going to do what I'm going to do today. So it was actually nice, and it was blue skies, and it was, you know, a little bit cloudy, but it was nice blue skies, it was bright. Now it's raining and it's dark outside. Okay, this is typical, you know, British weather, and you know, it made me so inspired to do a summer makeup. I put something summery on, and now it's just gloomy. So now I just feel like getting into bed, but I'm not. I want to look nice today. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to create my own summer makeup look. My main focus is skin. So over the years, or over the year, I guess, a year or so, my skin's actually gotten worse than what it is. My skin used to be perfect, very, very, very clear, no redness, nothing, not even texture. My skin was perfection, and I used to say my skin was bad. I can't believe I used to say that. Well, my skin's now very red, so it's much harder for me to just cover up the redness with just foundation, and so I have to do so many different things. But today I'm just gonna go light with it. Like, I don't care, I just want to even out the skin, make it nice, make it glowy, make it luminous. I want to look radiant, I want to look nice in the summer. I want to look like the sun's kissed me, and now I look sun-kissed, and I look gorge, and I look great. So that's what I'm going to go with. So the first thing to do is to hydrate your skin, and hydrate it very well. I'm going to use the Simple Hydrating Gel Cream, which is actually quite nice. I love it. I've been using this, funnily enough, I've been mixing this with my foundation, which sounds really dodgy, but it works. I've been mixing it with my Revolution Pro Full Cover, this one, and yeah, it sounds dodgy, but it actually works. It really extends the length of it, I guess. I mean, you can put a small drop of that and a small drop of moisturizer, and boom, it covers your whole face instead of putting loads of foundation on. Because it's so full coverage, you've got to put quite a lot everywhere to get like an even skin, like an even tone. I'm going to use the Ordinary Azelaic, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Azelaic Acid Suspension 10%. This is the multifunctional brightening formula. This apparently is good for textured skin and redness. And the thing is, I actually use this as a primer because it's so smoothing. It has such a smoothing effect that I feel like it just smooths my skin, and it's perfect for makeup because it honestly is just so, like, your skin feels baby soft. It's as if you're like using baby skin primer or any kind of like silicone based primer, but it smooths your skin and it just like disappears, and it just feels really nice. So even though it's not a primer, it actually has benefits to the skin, but it also works as a primer. So it's a win-win over here. Now, just to increase glowtivity, I'm going to add some highlighter. I'm going to add loads of highlighter on today, just so you're aware. I'm going to use the Barry Liquid Chrome Highlighter Drops in LC2 Beam Me Up. I'm just going to take a bit of this. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to pat it on the high points of my cheekbones. Or just high points of my face, really. So the cheekbones. This stuff is literally liquid chrome. It says what it is. Oh god, it's rainy. And then maybe just a little bit on my chin. Cupid's bow. And nose. It doesn't matter if you make a boo-boo and you can't blend it out because you're putting foundation over this anyway. And whatever you have left on your hand, just under the arch of the eyebrow. So there we go. Now we're already gleaming. I'm going to take some Naked Skin foundation in 2.0, and I'm going to take my favourite ever L'Oreal Glow Drops, and I'm going to do a pump of this, a drop of that. So it's like 1-to-1, to be honest. And if it's really sunny and summery outside, I don't think anyone's going to be watching your skin. Like, just enjoy the sun, enjoy the vitamin D that you're getting. Especially in England, we don't get much sun, you know, so we try to enjoy it as much as we can. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face like a normal foundation, just going to even out my skin, and then you'll basically see what I mean by glowtivity. Glowtivity levels today are going to be like 100, maybe 95 to 100. I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define in C3, just add a pop here and here. I'm going to set my under eyes with the Wonder 2 Perfect Selfie Powder, and then I'm going to set my whole face with it. So my aim today is to keep everything very light-handed, not too heavy, just very natural. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal Back to bronzing powder. I'm just going to dust this all over basically where I want to look sun-kissed. So it's just forehead for me, because I've got a tonk forehead, so I got to put a lot of bronzer on this forehead. So just around the edges and on the cheekbones, just where you naturally want the sun to give you that kiss, that little glow, that little nice, you know, that little smooch. I love this bronzing powder because it comes off so natural on my skin. It's not too much and it's not too orange, and it smells so good. Okay, I feel like that's enough for now. Later on, usually at the end, if I feel like I need more bronzer, I'll add more bronzer. So let's get on with the eyebrows. Now the eyebrows, I'm not going too heavy with it. I don't want it to look too heavy. Just nice and, you know, naturally filled. I'm just going to use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in granite, sorry, not graphite, granite. And I'm just going to lightly fill in my eyebrows. I'm just going to put some clear brow gel through that, just to tame those hairs. I'm going to use the Revolution Pro Eye Primer in Core. I'm just going to put this on my eyelids just to even out this lid right here. I then have this powder by Sleek. This is the Luminous Silk Pressed Powder, I believe. And this is in 01. I'm going to take that. It's got a bit of glitter in it for a pressed powder, but I'm just going to use that to set my eyelids. Because even though it has shimmer in it, we love a bit of shimmer on the eyelids, you know? I actually have this Art Deco powder. It says Art Deco Glam Stars Compact Powder. This has a lot of shimmer in it. I'm going to use this actually on top. Yeah, that's better. Loads of shimmer. So that's pretty much added like a peach tone to the eyes. Now taking my favourite highlighter, this is the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette in gold. I'm going to take this one in the corner. As you can see, it's the most loved one. And this has like chunky glitter in it, so it really makes your eyes pop. And I love to put this right at the centre, sorry, the tear duct, the inner corner. And this, I feel, this is like my normal eye look anyway, even when I go to work. But I just love that pop because it just looks so brightening. And then under the eyebrow as well. I just love a glow, you know? And some, you know, all over the centre. Just like that. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara, my favourite mascara, the L'Oreal X Fiber Extreme Resist in Waterproof. Just put that on my lashes. Just a light layer, just so my eyes look a little bit jaune, you know, jaune. I'm going to use the Lola Makeup Highlighter in 001. I'm going to take some of this because it's more of a pink undertone. And I want more of a pink undertone today instead of like a proper gold. So I'm just going to lightly, really lightly dust that. I don't want to go too full on. That's why Glowtivity is like 95 instead of 100. But very, like a very natural dust. If I had gradual tan on or any kind of tan, I probably would have put some gold on. But because I haven't tanned and I'm just, you know, pale old me, I'm going to go with more of a pink undertone because that's what makes me look really gleamy and glowy. Then I'm going to add some blush. This is the L'Oreal Pinks Infallible Blush Paint Palette, and I'm going to take Peony Rose, which is this one in the middle, and I really like to get that on the brush. I'm going to take some more of the bronzer. I'm just going to add that to my cheeks again, just so the blush and the bronzer kind of morph together. I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Spray. I would use an illuminating spray, but I don't want to overdo it with like the illuminating scene, because I feel like if I do use an illuminating spray, I'm going to look crazy tinfoily, so let me know. So for me, I think of summer, I think of hydration. So I'm going to either use lip balm on my lips or lip gloss. Today, I'm going to go with some lip gloss. Just to give my lips some sort of shape, I'm going to use the MUA Caramel Nougat pencil, lip pencil. You can tell I love this pencil. This is still my favourite pencil, and it's £1 and it works. Good stuff. So I'm just going to line my lips and then I'm going to put some gloss on. Now I'm going to add the Gosh Lip Oil in 007 Crystal Star. This is like my favourite lip oil because it is hydrating and it gives off the most beautiful effect. Just watch it, just watch it. Okay, so I'm going to be extra bougie and I'm just going to add some highlighter here. Just, you know, why not? I did actually try add some highlighter previously, did not like it, so here we are with a new highlighter. So we're just going to do that there. Also, if your, you know, shoulders are out, you really want to forget the brush. I take my hands, to be honest, and just rub it all up in there. And then to be even more extra, I'm going to add the Illuminating Finish Makeup Setting for the face and for the body Barry M spray. I'm going to put that just here. And that gives you literally the glowiest glow of life. So yeah. Alright, so your girl's finished, your girl's done, your girl's glow in out here. And the sun's back, so it's a good day again. This is the look. It's very glowy, it's very, I'd like to think it's natural, it's not too heavy, it's just like, you know, you've evened out your skin, you've added a little bit of blush, bronzer, eyebrows, so and so, but you can go a little, you can go lighter if you want to, but this is just how I like to wear my makeup, especially in the summer. I don't want it too heavy, I don't want it too much, I don't want to feel like I have makeup on my skin, you know, so I want to keep it nice and natural. So this is the look. Everything's a bit light. I haven't put my hair in a pony. I usually put my hair in a ponytail, but I feel like for this look, a pony goes really well for the summer. So this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.